Hey guys, today we are going to be starting our light boxes up. Yeah, I'm secretly talking about those. Almost. So close. Yeah, what I was saying was I'm secretly talking about them. No. What?
What?
Backing? I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm gonna start doing the light boxes up in the ceilings. All of our wire is pretty much run for lights. We just have to actually do the boxes. And then also I bought, where are they? I bought 48 of these LED recessed lighting off of Amazon. They're the Nadir Ultra Slim recessed lighting. You can use them in damp conditions, so like in the showers or outside. Basically what it comes with is a little box for your wires, a quick disconnect from the box to the light, and then it also comes with the brushed nickel cover as well as the white. And these ones are in the I think the warm light, so because I have warmer colors. And then basically all it does is click into the drywall. You just push it up in and then it clicks to the drywall, and that's our recessed lighting. So there's 48 total in the house. There's 10 in the living room, 6 in the kitchen, 6 in my office. There's 4 in the main bath, I think 3 in the walk-in closet in our room, pantry, and then all throughout the hallways there's these. So these I get to attach to the ceiling as well. If it's close enough, I get to go right to the truss. If not, then I get to go to just a piece of 2x4 bracing. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna work on now. Yeah, so yes. So for 24 of these is like 250 bucks. So they're like 10 bucks a piece, which is really, Dad's dancing in the background. So these are like 10 bucks a piece, whereas if you go with like actual pot lights, you're talking like, I think 20 bucks for the actual boxes that you have to put in the ceiling, and then however much for the light itself, and then the bulbs and all that. These are LED. You can run as many as you want pretty much on one circuit, and hopefully they never blow. So you can choose different lighting options. These ones are the warm light, they have the cool light, and then different strengths of light and all that. So 10 bucks each, pretty good. Okay, so I did this room off camera pretty much, but we have our ceiling light box run.
She pulled her wires off camera.
I wasn't touching any wires, kid. And then we have 6, you can see.
She was touching her box off camera.
We have 3 there. And then we have 1, 2, 3 there. So those connectors, we just connect after the drywall is up. So eventually we're gonna run all of this wire through these 6 boxes.
3 days later.
Just got back from the store, had to get more staples for the boys. I basically wasn't doing anything downstairs other than cleaning and like a few things here and there. So we have not wired all of the LED boxes yet, and they come like with a pre-wired connector. So I'm gonna try and show you that, because when I put the boxes in, I just put the boxes in and then we're gonna run the wire now. So I figured it's a one-man job or one-woman job. And I'll try and show you. It's pretty simple. Just basically strip the wire and then put them in the box. Okay, so this is our box, and you can see here is a knockout. And then on the other side, we have actually where the knockout is going to be and a connector. So you can see there the connector where the wire feeds in, and then our 3 wires in the box and the red connectors that the wires will go into. All right, so this is my first one. So basically what I have to do is strip this wire back about to the same length as inside here. The shielding is going to stay inside the box a little bit. I tighten up the connector and strip the ends of this, which I forgot my wire stripper, and then I plug in each 3 of these wires into each connector. Yes, Damien. It's downstairs still.
Flashback.
Thank you.
Aw, do I get one?
Oh, I didn't even get that. Look at it.
I give you a flower.
Thanks, dude.
This for you.
Aw,
nice.
thank you.
I want to put it in water.
Well, I don't have water,
No,
but it's very pretty.
I never.
Where did you find that?
They're good.
But I found 3.
I know.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks, dude.
End of flashback.
Yeah? So for now, I'm just gonna leave it quite short just to see roughly. I think that'll be enough, so. Is that you, Kyle? Can you pass me the wire strippers that Dad had over there? Strippers?
Where?
They're like a little tiny set of pliers.
Yeah, where are they?
They were by the table where the...
Like downstairs?
No, right there.
These little guys?
Yep.
Need the other ones too?
Yeah, those are my linesmen's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want those.
There's more.
Maybe I should have started in an area that wasn't so tight. Come on. Dad said he didn't like these. these just plug in like that. And then he said he wanted them twisted, but... Matthew, there we go. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far, and I only have 43 more to go. Alright guys, I am done for the day. Everybody went home probably about an hour ago. They wanted lunch. I had a late breakfast. Lunch really at 12 o'clock, so I stayed back and basically just FaceTime Mom because I was up on a ladder, and of course they don't want me here by myself on a ladder. So I'll quickly run around and show you what I did, and then that'll be it. So I wired up 2, 4, and 6 there. I wired 1, 2, 3 there. I did 4 in this hallway. I did them all except for the shower one in the main bath because I needed the other ladder and the boys were using it at the time. The closets in the spare room and Damien's room is done, and that's it. So I guess that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye.